Another one is Rennes, a little bit smaller. And we have a very, very small campus for specific purpose, for study space communication system. And so naturally, we go where Airbus is and Thales and EADS, the big company in Europe for space communication. So we are close to them. International specificity means that we spend a lot of time, money also, for that specificity. For example, at Telecom Bretagne, 45% of our students are foreigners now, coming from 50 countries. And since 2 years only, I will come back on that, Thai people. I told you very few students, a lot of professors. In my school, that's only 1,200 students for 160 academics professor and a lot of part-time lecturers coming from companies. All French high schools do that. We have a lot also of teachers coming from company because we give engineer master, so our students have to be close to the market and to the company. In all high school, you will find similar degree, as well as in university, so Master of Engineering, Master of Science, Postmaster, and PhD, and also a specificity. I do not know if it does exist in Thailand, I don't think so. Master of Engineering via sandwich course. So our students have a part-time at school and a part-time in a company for 3 years. So all of our schools in France have developed a program for international students with a specificity. Some of them do the full master in English. Some of them decide to give a part in English and a part in French, so that our students will at least speak 3 languages. Of course, for you, Thai, English, and probably French. In Brest, we follow this program. So if you enter in Brest, you will have French intensive lecture during 1 month. After a semester in English, and during that time you have French intensive lecture, and progressively some of your lecture, or maybe all of them, will be done in French. So don't be afraid, it works. And I know you're afraid about that, but you have also have to understand, and I will come back on that point after, that to have a third language in your CV could be really, really an advantage. So if you have questions for specific IT master at Telecom Bretagne or Institut Telecom, we can discuss after. I think I will not present that here. Maybe we have also in high school in France a different point of view for giving you competency. Most of our school focus on project. We've gradually change the skill you have to learn. For example, we start, of course, from transversal competency, and then focus on technical one. Oh, sorry, I lost my mouse. And then for 1 semester, you will have a project for which you will have to focus on teamwork and learn to learn. Then communicate. As a future engineer, you will need to communicate. And after, maybe more surprising, but a lot of efforts done for innovating. We will need to innovate every time in IT. And last but not least, managing project. maybe I can pass, not aware about that. So I told you that you are afraid about learning maybe a third language. If I tell this to you, we ask the same to our students. All our French students at Telecom have to learn 2 other languages. And they have to spend at least 3 months abroad. We want them to see something else. We tell them, okay, you are in a very good school, but you can learn from others also. And it works well, because most of them do not spend 3 months. Most of them, spend 6 to 12 months abroad. At the moment, if you want to meet them, 3 of our students are at Scholar, at ICO school. So we have some partnership all around the world, and since 2 years, we have 3 partnerships with Thai University. First one was Chulalongkorn. So what we have done with Shula? Exchange of staff. I spent 3 months here 2 years ago. A PhD student from Chulalongkorn, Komet, which is here. You can discuss with him also if you want. Spend 1 year in my lab. 8 students from our school spend 1 semester here. 2 students from ICO school spend 1